Golden Dayin. Hi, and welcome to Icelandic for Foreigners. In this episode, we're going to be talking about the phrase Fyrir Síðan, which is how we say that something happened some time ago. So Fyrir Síðan is used to indicate when an action took place in the past. It is always followed by something in dative, so either by a dative number or adjective or a unit of time. And it's important to remember that, like in English, in Icelandic, fyrir síðan is not used if the action is ongoing. In English, we wouldn't say, I am living in Iceland 3 years ago. We would say, I have been living in Iceland for 3 years. We could, however, say, I moved to Iceland 3 years ago. So whenever you could use ago in English, you can use fyrir síðan in Icelandic. Let's take a second to talk about the sentence structure of prepositional phrases. In an Icelandic sentence, we'll often begin our sentences with a subject and a verb, and possibly an object too. Now, the prepositional phrase, for example, fyrir blank síðan, can come after the subject, verb, and object. Let's check out an example. Við lásum bókina fyrir ári síðan, which means we read a book 1 year ago. So that's one option. The other option is to have the prepositional phrase first. But you have to be careful because when we put the prepositional phrase first, the verb and the subject switch places. So in this example, we have fyrir ári síðan, 1 year ago, lásum við bókina, we read the book. Whenever you stick the prepositional phrase at the beginning of the sentence, your subject and your verb have to switch places. All right, let's talk about some of the things that you'll put after fyrir and before síðan. One of the things that you can put there is a dative noun. This is usually a unit of time. So let's look at the units of time that we're probably going to be using. We'll look at the nominative forms first. We have sekunda, which means second, minuta, minute, klukkutími, hour, dagur, day, vika, week, mánuður, month, and ár, year. Now, our dative singular form, this is the one that we'll actually be using if we want to say 1 second ago or 1 minute ago. We're going to use sekundu, mínútu, klukkutíma, degi, viku, mánuði, and ári. So these are the dative singular forms. These are what we'll use in our fyrir blank síðan phrase. We also need the dative plural in case we're talking about more than 1 second or more than 1 month. So we have sekundum, mínútum, klukkutímum, dögum, vikum, mánuðum, and árum. Learning how to use this phrase is a really good opportunity for you to practice your bendings, as you can see here. Now, we're also going to need some dative numbers so that we can talk about how many days ago or how many weeks ago. Now, unfortunately, we need to learn the dative numbers for all 3 genders, masculine, feminine, and neuter. So let's talk about masculine first. The masculine dative form for 1 is einum. So we're going to use this with klukkutíma, degi, and mánuði, because these are our masculine words. The dative masculine numbers for 2, 3, and 4 are tveimur, þremur, and fjórum. You'll also see that some people use tveim and þrem instead of tveimur and þremur. They're both acceptable. I've personally heard more people use the word tveimur and þremur, but you're really okay to use either of them. So you're going to use those with klukkutímum, dögum, and mánuðum, our plural nouns. Learning all the forms of the numbers in Icelandic is very difficult. So use this as an excuse to learn these particular forms so that you can start making sentences with this principle in it. Just briefly to look at an example of what this will look like with one of these masculine numbers, we could say fyrir fjórum dögum or fyrir fjórum dögum síðan, which would mean 4 days ago. And I didn't mention this earlier, but using síðan is optional. It's very common to hear síðan at the end. That means since. So it's like saying 4 days ago since, but it's not necessary that you use the síðan part of this phrase. All right, let's go on to look at the feminine dative numbers. The word for 1 is einni. We're going to use that with sekundu, mínútu, and viku, our feminine nouns. Now, the dative feminine numbers 2, 3, and 4 are the same as for masculine, so you don't need to learn anything new. An example of this in action would be Fyrir einni viku, or Fyrir einni viku síðan, which would mean 1 week ago. All right, let's go on to our dative neuter numbers. The word for one is einu, and the only thing that we looked at on that previous list was the word ár, which means year. So we would say einu ári. And then our numbers 2, 3, and 4 for neuter dative are the same as well. So an example would be Fyrir þremur árum would mean 3 years ago. All right, as far as numbers beyond 4, for most of our numbers, we don't need to worry about changing them anymore. So everything from 5 to 20, you won't need to change the form into dative because there is no dative form, there's just one form. However, once you get to 21 or 22 and 23 and 24, once you start using the 1, 2, 3, and 4 again, then you need to use the dative form again. So the masculine form would be Fyrir 21, the feminine would be 21, and the neuter would be 21. So if I wanted to say 21 years ago, I could say Fyrir 21 ári síðan. All right, the last dative thing that you might need to worry about is dative adjectives. For example, the adjective mörgum, which means many, or nokkrum, which means some. And then we're also going to look at 2 others, löngu and stuttu. These are the dative neuter forms of long and short, and I'll show you an example with each of those. So for mörgum, you might say fyrir mörgum árum síðan. This means many years ago. For nokkrum, you might say fyrir nokkrum dögum síðan, which means some days ago, or a few days ago. Löngu, we just use the neuter form because we don't actually use a unit of time. We just say fyrir löngu síðan, and it just means a long time ago, or long ago. And then the same thing for stuttu, we just say fyrir stuttu síðan, and that means a short while ago. The last dative adjective I'd like to talk about is the word for half, which we have 3 forms for masculine, feminine, and neuter. We have hálfum, hálfri, and hálfu. So we would use this, for example, in saying fyrir hálfum mánuði síðan would mean half a month ago. The feminine form, we could say, for example, fyrir einni og hálfri viku síðan, which would mean 1.5 weeks ago. And neuter, for example, fyrir tveimur og hálfu ári síðan, 2.5 years ago. That's all I have for this video. I know that there was a lot in it and that it seems very complicated. Use this as an excuse to start learning those forms. When you have a set phrase like this that requires you to learn, for example, the dative numbers, it can really help motivate you to learn those forms. So use this as the opportunity to learn those forms and start making sentences using this phrase. Please feel free to leave comments or suggestions below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good one. Bless, bless.